In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on rules in QuickBooks. If you previously turned a rule off and need it active again, this walkthrough will get you back on track quickly and confidently. First, head to the Rules section in QuickBooks. This is the dedicated area where all your automation rules live. If you're using QuickBooks Online, you'll typically find rules under the Banking or Transactions area. You can also use the search bar to look for rules if you prefer. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your existing rules, including any that are currently disabled. Next, find the specific rule you want to enable. If you have a long list, use the search field or filters to narrow it down by rule name, bank account, or transaction type. A disabled rule often shows an off or disabled status, which makes it easy to confirm you're working with the right one. Take a moment to double-check the name and conditions so you don't accidentally enable the wrong rule, especially if you have several that are similarly named. Now look to the far right side of that rules row. You'll see a small arrow or caret icon, which opens a quick actions menu for that rule. Click that arrow to expand the options. From that menu, choose Enable. That's it. Your rule is now turned back on. After enabling, you should see the status update to on or active. This means QuickBooks will start evaluating incoming transactions against that rule again, helping you categorize, auto-add, or flag items according to the criteria you originally set. If you don't see the change right away, try refreshing the page or clearing any filters you applied to the list. A couple of helpful tips as you work. If you don't see the rules section at all, make sure you're signed in with a user role that has permission to manage rules. If the Enable option doesn't appear, the rule may already be active. And if a rule behaved unexpectedly before you disabled it, consider reviewing its conditions and priorities later to make sure they align with how your transactions actually come in. To recap, go to the Rules section, locate your rule, click the arrow on the far right, and select Enable. With those simple actions, your automation is back in play, saving you time and keeping your books consistent. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.